Hello again everyone. This time we're going to talk about another organizing feature of our Microsoft Excel, and that is filtering. So filtering is used when you want to narrow down the data in your worksheet and you just like to see or view the informations that you only needed for a certain moment. Now, how is filtering done? First, of course, you need to make sure again that you have your headers because that will be our basis later for filtering. Now, since we have our header here, all we need to do then is just to go to the Data tab and then click the Filter button. After clicking the Filter button, you'll notice that there will be drop-down arrows that will appear in our headers. That is why headers are really important. Labels is very important. Okay, now let's try filtering our data basing on our items. So for example, all I need to do is just to click the drop down arrow in the item part, and then a window will appear. This would help us filter the datas, multiple datas here. For example, we'd only like to see who bought the binder, who bought the pencil, and so on and so forth. So all I need to do is just to uncheck the select all, and then just check the data that you'd like to display. For example, I'd only like to see purchasers of the binder. So notice, the other datas are hidden, and only the datas with the binder, since that is our basis, are displayed. Same thing goes if I check another data or another basis. For example, let's uncheck the binder because I'd only like to see the pencil. So that is, we will see who bought pencils. Another example, just like paper. And makikita natin that there's only one person who bought paper. For example, gusto mo combination, pwede naman. Pen and paper. Or if you'd like to see everything, then just select all. Then why did you filter? Bitaw. Filter again is just for us to see specific data at a certain moment. Okay? Now, for example, you'd like to stop filtering. All you need to do is just to click the clear filter, meaning tanggalin mo na yung filter mo because you'd like to go back to how it is originally displayed, all the datas. Okay? And then just close the window whenever you don't want to use it na. Just as easy as that. That is just how you filter. Let's see for another example. For example, we're gonna be displaying the quality rating. So we're going to be displaying data basing on the quality rating. Same thing, for example, first thing we need to uncheck the select all because again, we're just going to filter to see specific datas. For example, I'd only like to see items that are rated 10. So, kana lang. So, you will see, siya ang basihan. Everything that was rated 10 is displayed. For example, gusto ko namang makita yung 7. Ganun lang siya. As easy as that. And that is filtering. Again, you don't need to worry kung nawala tanan because they were just hidden just for you to see specific datas. Again, if you'd like to go back to how it is in the very first place, or if you'd like to see everything na, all you need to do is just to click clear filter. And then, you're done filtering. As easy as that. I hope you enjoy and good luck exploring!